In this short tutorial, I will show you how to clear your Safari history on your iPhone that is running iOS 17. When you browse the internet using Safari, a record of the websites you visit is stored in your history. This can be a concern if other people have access to your phone and you want to keep your browsing activities private. By following a few simple steps, you can easily clear your Safari history. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone and then scroll down until you see Safari. Once you've found it, tap on it. What you want to do next is scroll down and tap where it says, Clear History and Website Data. It will show you these options. So these options are new to iOS 17, and now you can select the time frame of the history that you want to clear. You have 4 different options, and those are last hour, today, and yesterday, and finally, all history. So depending on your preference, select one of these options. You can also toggle on this switch to close all the tabs you've currently opened in Safari. Once you've done that, simply tap on the Clear History button. Now you've successfully cleared the history of your Safari web browser. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.